Hey, cutie. Today we are going to be organizing my collection. I went from this beautiful wardrobe behind me, had all of my makeup stored in it for the past 2 years or so, and I've been just kind of sick of it, and my office has been feeling really cluttered lately, and I think it's because the dresser was in here. We got Bandit a new bed for him. It's like an orthopedic bed for his hips. Anyway, so there was just a lot of space taken up in here, and I wanted to free some space up. So we moved the dresser out. I have like some decor pieces in here now, which it finally feels like it's my space now, which is nice. And I brought my Alex 9 drawer, which you can't see, but they're here, my Alex 9 drawers. I can rotate you guys for a second. So those are all here now. And I have my collection very close to me, and we just actually went through and organized all of those together. So I'm excited to kind of go through my drawers, give you another glimpse at my collection. I know we just had my inventory a couple videos ago, but you know, this is just another little organization video. It's going to be pretty chill. It's going to be more makeup noise and just like that clicky clackiness. So we're just going to get into organizing my collection. So this first drawer is actually all of my winter palettes. So everything that I wanted to reach for in winter. And then like I threw an extra one that gives me winter feels that I forgot about. It's the Dreamy 2 palette. So pretty. So these are my palettes that I am going to be using for the next couple months until this gets refreshed. You'll notice my palettes are no longer stored in like the bulk of my makeup in here. They are still stored in my wardrobe, and I'm just pulling my like focus rotation. This is an empty little palette, so I can put like grab shades out of these magnetic ones if I want to. So yeah, this is my winter palette drawer, my like seasonal palette rotation, like my focus drawer. And then the rest is what we need to organize in this video. You will see it's a very, very big mess inside of here. This is where I have all of my primers, sunscreens, foundations, concealers, and I guess my liquid highlight in here. So that is this first drawer. Then I have my, maybe I should put these in the top shelf actually. I kind of threw everything in this when I moved my makeup into here, and just kind of have been trying to figure out where I want stuff. But I don't really like it here either. It's gonna stay in this one. So this is kind of my powders and cream cheek. So anything, and then cream, and then I set the powder, and then bronzers are in here. I have my blushes and highlights just kind of thrown in here, and I've been taking my Kaleidos ones out of the boxes when I use them. So I have empty boxes in here that we just need to rearrange. And then my lip drawer, and I know it's farther down right now. I'll bring you closer when we get to it. So my lip drawer needs to be organized too. So I'm hoping to just give you some nice little clicky noises and organize this monstrosity with me. I had vacuumed these out already before I put the cabinet liner in. So when I moved this back, like this whole thing back into this office or this room, I vacuumed the drawers, cleaned the drawers, and then put these cabinet liners in it. So I'm not cleaning them right now because I just had done it like a week ago. everything's kind of oldest to newest, kind of looking this way. Except for this is kind of weird because the primers are strange. Okay, I moved you down a little bit, and you're propped up a little precariously, so hopefully this isn't too awkward. I like this. Cool. So that is it for organizing my collection with me. Let me know if you saw any favorites in my collection that are favorites in your collection. I know we didn't really touch over palettes. Palettes are just stored in this thing still, but that is it for organizing my collection with me. I appreciate you guys spending some time with me today, and anytime you guys spend time with me, I really do appreciate it so much. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you on Wednesday's video. All right, I will see you then. Bye.